Welcome to Oshkosh. This is a fantastic aircraft. Fantastic.
Osh 22, we made it back. See y'all.
We don't only think of the future and invest on what is going to be the aircraft of 2030, 2050. We also have to improve our products and to do innovations on what we do. Since we acquired Kodiak, we have the intention to do the same. So I'm very proud today to announce the new Kodiak 900.
This is a fabulous aircraft that is going to go way faster than any of the competition that is available out there. We are capable of max cruise of 210 knots. It's a 5-blade composite propeller that was developed by Hartzell. We have a single point of refueling, which I can tell you is extremely handy. It's an impressive useful load of 3,600 pounds. We have a cabin length that is increased by 37 inches, and this is giving us the opportunity for a double club seating, which in fact is the size of a King Air 350. This new aircraft that is, a much bigger size, carrying more, getting faster, is going to use exactly the same amount of fuel over a Kodiak 100.
What's really great is to see Dyer bring in the elegance and efficiency into the aircraft. The Kodiak is a utility aircraft. This is a perfect blend of that, and it's going to be a really exciting aircraft for both general aviation and special missions.
We also have the excitement to show here at Oshkosh for the first appearance the TBM 960, but there is a big news. It is a product that is FAA certified. Guess what? The other big news is this baby here is also certified. We are happy to have two brand new products that is certified, ready to be shipped